All right, everybody. This is for my pal Karnage, and he bought the 2011 Topps Jumbo box. So we're gonna open this up for him. In the jumbo box, there are here it is. I'm looking all over for this. There's 10 jumbo packs with 50 cards each, and there's 3 hits, as opposed to the 1 hit in the regular hobby box. The 1 hit's going to be an auto, 1's going to be a manufactured hit of some kind, and then the 3rd one's going to be a relic, usually. So, yeah, that's fine. Just you'll have to figure it out. You can either, I would prefer it if just one person bought it and then the other person sent half to that person. That makes sense. Here's pack number 1 for Karnage, if you guys wouldn't mind doing it that way. And Karnage, I'm just going to go straight to the middle, okay? I'm going to skip all your base cards. And Niger Morgan, R.A. Dickey. There is an R.A. Dickey collector on the threads who will definitely want this card. Stan Musial, gold standard. No, the squirrel would actually be there, is where the squirrel would be. Or it would be inside the hits. You're not going to have a squirrel anywhere else. Luis Aparicio and Joe DiMaggio, Golden Greats. Paul Konerko, Mini. You did hit one of the cards, and your first hit is Elvis Andrews. And that is your relic. And then you got a Don Mattingly, Eric Hosmer, Timeless Talents card. Yeah, your short prints are going to be inside the hit spot. So just for safety's sake, you would check the first and last card around the hit spot just to be safe. But so what you would do is you would go right here, and that's your first base card, and you would just check the numbering there on the back. And that card ends in 01, so that is a base. And then Bobby Parnell, Ernie Banks, Jason Kipnis, Brooks Robinson, Albert Pujols, Josh Johnson, and Golden Giveaway. And your auto is Adam Lind. So in 2 packs, we've already found 2 of your hits. The last one hopefully is going to be a ring. Either that or a coin. Joe Morgan and Brandon Phillips. I haven't actually pulled one of the coins yet. Okay, so pack 3. And we have Matt Laporta, Hong Chi Kuo, Mickey Mantle, classic walk-offs, Al Kaline, Starlin Castro, Derek Jeter, it's a nice Yankees hot pack, Cal Ripken, Eric Hosmer is your mini. This pack's paid for itself. And Golden Giveaway card, and Ryan Sandberg, Dan Ugla. So you did really well with those inserts, my friends. You'll know when we get to the hit because it'll be actually a pretty decent block. Danny Duffy, Brent Morrell, Jay Bruce, classic walk-offs, Paul Molitor, Jose Tabata, Miguel Cabrera, Hank Aaron, Andrew McCutchen, Golden Giveaway, and Johnny Bench, Brian McCann. All right, next pack. And this one is your hit, and it's not as thick as my ring was, so I'm thinking it's probably going to be the coin. So McGahee, Joe Benson's your gold, Paul Goldschmidt is your future card, Willie Mays, Ty Cobb, Albert Bell, Robinson Cano, don't you know, Golden Giveaway, and Timeless Treasures, And it is. Wow, it's a World Series pin. That's cool. Paul Molitor World Series pin. And that, my friend, is metal. It's not as thick as the ring I got, but still, that's awesome. How can you not like Paul Molitor? Granted, I guess there are better World Series pins than Paul Molitor, but still. Oh, the World Series. Okay, I got you. I thought you meant the card. I was like, are you crazy? All right, moving right along. Alan Craig, Brian Pena, David Ortiz, Reggie Jackson, 500 home runs, getting it done. Zach Britton, Curtis Granderson, Lou Gehrig, Matt Latos Intolerant, and your golden giveaway, and then King Felix and Michael Pineda. And then you've got a bonus Home Run Legends card number 5. And here's your second Home Run Legends card. You got Home Run Legends card number 7. So those are unannounced bonuses. And you have Sean Markham, Tom Seaver, Mike Trout, Prince Fielder, Derek Jeter, Roy Halladay. Look at Doc with the mini. The golden giveaway, and then Ernie Banks, Troy Tulowitzki. All right, so this is pack number 8. I always think these are a great deal because with the code, assuming that you sell it when it's worth, at least 3, but if not 4, then, it cuts the price of your pack almost in half. And then you've got 49 other cards. Johnny Bench, Pedro Alvarez is your gold. Nolan Ryan, that's cool. Ivan Nova, Ryan Sandberg, Ty Cobb. Oh, there you go. Evan Longoria is your mini. You got a golden giveaway. And Aparicio and Starlin Castro. So, pack number 9. Yeah, I can hang on to them, or you could just sell them on eBay because people will buy them. Hanley Ramirez, Johnny Cueto, Brandon McCarthy, Mark Teixeira, Ty Cobb, Paul Goldschmidt, Paul O'Neill, Jackie Robinson, David Wright, and golden giveaway and timeless talents. And your last pack. You have Jesus Guzman, Derek Jeter, that's a nice card. Aaron Sebia, CC Sabathia, Nolan Ryan, Brandon Phillips, diamond giveaway, golden giveaway, and timeless talents. And that is that, my friend. It was a good box. I liked it. You did hit a Blue Jays World Series pin. That's kind of cool. All right, guys, did you come to a consensus on the last box? I'll show you the card again, your pin. And what I can do is I can actually go get more of this tomorrow for Thursday, for Pack Wars on Thursday. And if you're watching the video and if you want to get involved with Pack Wars on Thursday, it's real easy. There's actually a link in the description of the video about how to join. So, but check that out. That's pretty cool. Awesome. All right, so Paul Molitor, and then let me get all your packs in here. Let me go ahead and stop the video and put your packs in.